So, hello you guys. Today, if you guys remember how I said from my last video how I would make a video on how to auto grind gold, like you can get a few thousand gold easy peasy lemon squeezy. So, basically all you want to do is like zoom in the first person and like get this block as close as you possibly can. Like for me it would be that. Till like you can see if you press the launch button that like you see that what just happened right now should not be able to happen. So try to get your block in such a position where that would not happen, and after you achieve that, which I will achieve very soon, and once I achieve that I'll tell you guys. If a couple of retries. Oh wait no. Okay. I'm gonna try it with this. Wish me luck. That actually worked. Oh, that guy legit. Wow. He actually made an airport. That's not hard, it'll just take really long. Oh my god, it still went. Okay, well, if I can find that portal later, it's gonna make it a lot easier to get around. Okay, so if I just reset real quick and I go look for that portal, maybe I won't, I'll just leave it at see, I guess. Well, I just realized another quick method that you could use to get a lot of money. You could just send the portal out to sea, like, don't care where it goes, spawn in a new one, and then just jump right through it. And then just jump right. Oh, my bad. But like, look, I'll just get some free. Like, I just got free 20. Easy 20 gold. Like, I could just continuously use that method, but now that that portal's gone, I'll just have to. Oh no, I can't go through. The portal got broken up. Oh, yo, it actually works. Yo. Okay, well, as you can see, that works out pretty well. Oh, that portal machine's broken too. Wow. Like, look, I just got a free 40 gold, so if you just continuously use that method, you could get a lot of gold. So I'll just send this one out to sea now. Sorry, bro, but bye-bye. Well, think about how OP that would be if you had armor around it, then. Like, what if I just boxed it up in a cage? And think about how OP that would be. Like, that would be really OP. So I could just do that and get, like, a ton of free gold. Oh. Which I might do. Now that that's gone pretty far out to sea, I'm gonna just make an improved version of that if I can get over 30 gold. Let me see if I get over 30 gold by doing this. Okay, simple jump. No, I won't be getting over 30 gold. I'll be getting on 20. Yeah, I'll be getting on 20. Yeah, and there comes my 20 gold. Well, I'm gonna just make a new one, but armed this time. Because I see that currently it doesn't seem to be working out very well, so if I'm gonna make it armed, let's just try to make this armed really well. By really well, I mean really well. Okay, so let me see. Okay, I'll use these blocks because they're pretty good. And the final armor for these. Gonna be a pretty good build. I don't want to make a platform that's too big, I just want to make it well armed. Like no one can get in or out. Except from a certain angle maybe or something, I don't know, I'll work it out. Or maybe I'll just make it a floating platform, who knows. Well, this would be a lot easier if you just had a jet engine and an aircraft, bro. That would just be OP. Oh, messing up that. I don't even know what I'm gonna keep as a front now. Actually, I might not have a front. I just got an idea. What if I just do just lay this off. Well, finish building. Wrong words. Okay, now I'm done with that. Okay, I'll mark that as a front. I'll have to switch walks to this. I will end up running out of bedrock very soon. Oh yeah, and if you couldn't tell, this is bedrock. Okay, bricks. Bricks should do. They're just slightly weaker. Okay, by slightly weaker, I mean three hits weaker. So they can withstand 3 hits less. Okay, now just placing a portal in there. Where are my portals, man? Okay. You gotta be kidding me, it's too small. Okay, wait. So, you guys, as you can see, it's very small. So I'm just gonna have to do that to make it nice and big. Don't know how I'm gonna wait. And if I just place a seat down there so I can pilot it, take it far out. I'm gonna put one down, one up there, and where is it? There we go. Okay, this should work. Please work. Oh, this is kind of really easy. Oh, I might have to take a few blows in here. Never mind. Okay, let's go back a little bit. Okay, there's my first blow. Okay. No. Oh, that was right to the main bit of the belt, the thruster. can't let 4 more hits happen to that thruster, otherwise it's gone. That defense should hold fine. Well, I nearly flipped the boat. Oh, this map? This won't be really hard. Simple and easy. Wait, this map is a perfect map to test it in. Does it work? I just keep still. Oh no, let's continues. Okay. See on this. Oh no. Oh no, no, that's bad. I'm stuck. Uh-oh. Oh no. I have to get back to the pilot. Bruh. The whole reason I get it out here in the break. Okay, well that. See you guys next time. I guess you just need more armor for that. See you guys next time.